Want to permanently delete your Instagram account? In this quick bite-wise tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to safely remove your profile. No confusion, just a clean break. Let's get started. First, open Instagram, then click on the logo on the left corner, then click on the 3 lines at the top right corner. Click on Account Center. Now click Personal Details. Then click on Account Ownership and Control. Click Deactivation or Deletion. Select Delete Account. Hit Continue. Scroll down and click Suitable option. Hit Continue. Scroll down and click Continue. Enter your account password and click Continue. Click Delete Account. Your account has deleted successfully. Hope you guys enjoy the video.